We will show you how to make Sata Andagi, a simple yet delicious donut from Okinawa, Japan. It's crispy outside and dense and cakey inside with subtle sweetness. It's so easy to make with simple ingredients you already have at home. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we combine the cake flour, baking powder, and salt and sift through a sieve. In a separate bowl, whisk egg and sugar. Instead of regular sugar, you can also use dark brown sugar for deeper flavor. Then add the oil and mix well. Add the flour mixture to the egg mixture and mix with a spatula until a dough forms. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. We are going to divide the dough into 12 portions and roll each piece into a ball. And we are going to deep fry. Heat the frying oil over medium-low heat in a pot and gently drop the dough balls, turning occasionally. Fry until they are evenly golden brown. Remove from oil and let rest on a paper towel for a few minutes. Sata Andagi is not coated in sugar or glazed, but it has just enough sweetness. It's a simple yet delicious snack you should definitely try.
美味しい。美味しいね。